Alright, today is Saturday, May 1st. We're opening up the hive for the first time since we installed the nuke last week. I bought a screened bottom board off of Amazon.com for my hive. Unfortunately, it came with a broken entrance reducer, so I used some wood glue to repair that. It's good when you open a hive to kind of have a plan what you wanted to do. So priority one was to install this new baseboard and remove the old one because it was in rough shape and it's a solid baseboard. Also, these screen bottom boards are better for monitoring for varroa mites without having to open up the hive. They also provide better ventilation in the summer, which is good. The other parts of the plan were to just check for the queen, check for signs of the queen if we can't find her, look for eggs, larvae, brood, also check and see how they're doing with building comb. They drank all the sugar from last week. They've been building burr comb. You can see there I showed that for a brief second. So all in all, the check went well. Now that we have the baseboard installed, the hive back on top of it, started pulling frames to just check on general status of the hive. This first frame here had good brood. It had a lot of brood that had been hatching from the week before. There were some I don't think I put it on video, but you could see them emerging from the cells. So the hive was doing good in that regard. All the brood is growing and coming out. Alright, so on this frame you can see larvae growing down in the cells. The bees are growing, it's good, they're healthy. In this shot here you can see the queen there in the center. She has a longer body and short wings and a little bit of blue paint on her. Here you can see eggs growing in the bottom of the cells when the light hits it just right down there. So she's laying and happy. Alright, so we completed the checkup. Everything is good. We got the new baseboard installed. The queen is there. She's laying eggs. Everybody's happy and healthy. I'm very pleased with the hive so far. Just adding some more sugar syrup for the bees to drink and continue to use to help build comb, and overall I'm very well pleased, so hopefully things continue to go well.